12 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Karnataka. Total number of COVID-19 cases has now risen to 705. The death toll currently stands at 30. Karnataka has resumed the train services for migrant workers after suspending it briefly. Special train services to fly till 15th of May. Now 11 people were killed and thousands fallen sick after chemical gas leakage at LG Polymers industry in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Several hospitalized after they complained of a burning sensation in their eyes and breathing difficulties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also spoken to Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister regarding the situation in Visakhapatnam and has assured all help and support. Modi took to Twitter and said that the situation in Visakhapatnam is being closely monitored.
पूरी दुनिया के हेल्थ वर्कर्स और दूसरे सेवा कर्मियों के लिए प्रार्थना सप्ताह के रूप में मनाने का संकल्प लिया है। करुणा से
Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Buddha Purnima celebrations and honored the frontline corona warriors. Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai held the COVID-19 task force meet with the Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar. The situation in the state was discussed pertaining to COVID-19. Now, lockdown norms have been relaxed in Bapuji Nagar with no new COVID-19 case being reported from the area. The last COVID-19 case reported in the area was on April 8. Several barricades, pandals and sheets have been removed from Bapuji Nagar. A large number of migrant workers throng the Majestic bus station. The free transportation for migrant workers ends today. Proper checkup was organized at Majestic for workers before they boarded their buses. Mysuru District in charge Minister S.D. Somshekhar says there are three possible reasons to explain the Nanjangud pharmaceutical COVID-19 outbreak. First, an employee attending a Bangalore religious congregation. Second, an auditing by Delhi visitors at the company, and another of its employees visiting Delhi. India's benchmark index Sensex 30 is trading lower. Market continues to be haunted by the rising numbers of COVID-19 cases.